Let us proceed with the first song.
Do you mean joke or Goke? Do you mean joke or Goke? The simplest explanation is usually the correct one. The simplest explanation is usually the correct one. Never play Pictionary with scientists. Never play Pictionary with scientists. A high probability of laughter. A high probability of laughter. This one is for the theoretical physicists out there. This one is for the theoretical physicists out there. They say laughter is contagious. They say laughter is contagious. Caffeine vs. Colliculus. Caffeine vs. Colliculus. A chemical reaction between Sheldon and Emmy. A chemical reaction between Sheldon and Emmy. A historically funny joke. A historically funny joke. What being saved by the Man of Steel would actually be like. What being saved by the Man of Steel would actually be like. The chicken never crosses the road. The chicken never crosses the road. A physics twist on an old classic. A physics twist on an old classic.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.